I love a serum. Hey you guys, it's Ms. Welcome to my channel if it's your first time here, and welcome back if you have been here before. Today is day 4 of my Advent calendar unboxing extravaganza, and today is one of my luxury calendars. I'm very excited about it. It's the Neiman Marcus Beauty Calendar. This is a 24-day calendar and it was $225. It is super heavy. The description on the website said that it was filled with deluxe beauty samples. Hi, Simone. I'm not super familiar with all of the brands that they have at Neiman Marcus, but I am excited to learn about it. Every year I see this box get unboxed on YouTube. I think about getting it and I forget, and this year I didn't. Let's get started. So the box is beautiful. It's very well made, tied with this ribbon. Inside are very solid drawers. They are not in order. I can't wait to see what is inside. So let's get started. Day number 1. This is very heavy. It's a metal tube. This is Mind Games by N. Preze. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Very pretty. Oh wow, that smells really good. That smells clean and unisex, but with a masculine edge. I really, really like this. It smells amazing. And this is a refillable perfume case. This comes out. Mind Games is the name of the perfume, and this smells amazing. I can't wait to wear this out. Day number 2 is right here, and it is Molten Brown Neon Amber Body Wash. Day number 3. Day 3 is B21 Oil from Orlan. Very substantial. Day 4. Day 4 is an Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, which I'm very excited about. I love cleansing balms. If you're an older lady and don't know about these, they are amazing. I had a friend give me one when we were on vacation together, and it blew my mind. It will take any makeup off. I'm super excited to try this. I do like Elemis. Day number 5. Day number 5 is a Kinesco lip mask. Oh, and it looks like this is a reusable lip mask. Day number 6. Day number 6 is a Jenny Patinkin green tea makeup sponge. I don't use makeup sponges, but everyone is always saying how great they are, so this is a great way for me to give that a go. Day number 7. Day number 7 is a Bobbi Brown longwear eyeshadow stick, and this is in, it looks like a neutral sort of beigey color. Let's take a look at it. And that's exactly what it is. It's a shimmery beige gold-ish highlighter. Very cool. First makeup item in the box. Day number 8 is the Valmont V Firm Serum. I have never heard of this brand, but it's made in Switzerland. I love a serum. Day number 9. Oh, this is pretty. This is Blue Super Style Cream. Day 10. Day 10 is from Sisley, and this is the Hair Ritual Cream. We have a whole Sisley box to open back there that I'm super excited about, and I got a shampoo and conditioner sample from them when I purchased that box, and I've really enjoyed using it. I don't think normally I'd be really excited about a hair product, but I am in this instance. I've enjoyed their products. And with my new short hair, I really don't need that much, so this will last me forever. Day number 11. Oh, this is really nice. This is La Mer Eye Cream, and this is a pretty big sample size. Again, I'm very happy with this. I love La Mer. It's very heavy. It's a heavy cream. It feels expensive. It feels rich, and I enjoy using it. It's a little pricey for me. It's not my everyday lotion, but every time I get a sample, I'm pretty thrilled. Okay, day 12. Oh, another perfume sample. Day 12 is Pavoine Suju by Armani. Give it a sniff. It's delicate, it's lightly floral, maybe like a white floral. It smells very clean. It's definitely a feminine light scent. It's not as light as a skin scent, pretty light and subtle. It smells really good, even a little fruity and sweet. Very feminine, very nice. Day number 13. 13 is one of my favorite numbers. I can't wait to see what is in here, and it is Augustinus Bader, the Rich Cream. This is definitely a product I've wanted to try for a long time. This is a very expensive product and people rave about it. I have not bit the bullet and purchased it. I don't want to spend that much money on skincare, but I'm very excited to try it. Day 14. Day 14 is Queen Essence from Amor Vizca. It's made in Switzerland. I have no idea what it is. So these are 2 items so far that I'm not quite sure exactly what they are, but we will find out. One is a Queen Essence and one is the V-Firm Serum. I mean, I assume it's a face serum, but I can't tell exactly what it does based on the packaging. We'll find out. Let's go to day number 15. Here it is. Day 15 is a 311 Skin Black Diamond Eye Mask. I have a little box in my bathroom with all of the masks and patches that I kind of collect from goodie bags and giveaways when I purchase something somewhere, and I love to use them. So this will go in there and be a part of my little home spa. Day number 16. Oh, this is really big. Day 16 is a Delina shower gel from Parfum de Marly, another brand that I know nothing about. I'll put this in my guest room. I always like to have fun soaps for my guests. Ooh. It smells girly and perfumey. It smells exactly the way it looks, very pink and light. Day number 17 is right here. It is Sunday Riley Be Nice Niacinamide. This is another face serum, and this says it's supercharged with trans resveratrol, and it reduces the look of pore size, discoloration, and blotchy tone for balanced, clear looking radiance. I like this. I like that this little container tells me exactly what it's for and exactly how to use it and like sells it to me, as opposed to this container, which actually contains a lot more product, but I have no idea what it does. I assume it's some sort of toner or like a light serum or a refreshing mist. I don't know. Moving on. 18. This is a Salt and Stone Shiso and Neroli deodorant. I am excited about this. I have gone through so many different deodorants. I try to use ones without aluminum. I stink a lot, and I'm always willing to try new things. So I'm happy to put this in my rotation and give it a go. Don't let me down, Neiman Marcus. Oh, and that smells so good. It smells fresh and clean, unisex. Oh, like I would want to sniff my own armpit. Like that smells great. Day 19, another perfume, Amouage Guidance. Gorgeous little bottle. Let's give this a sniff, maybe. Oh, that is amazing. It's a little creamy, a little spicy. It's a very light, gorgeous scent. I don't know how to describe it. It's like a pumped up skin scent. It's very subtle and warm. I like that. Learning about so many new brands today. Day 19, is that right? Day 20. Day 20 is a Chantecaille Eye Lift Mask. Anti-aging bio-lifting mask. So that's nice. This is a brand that I see online a lot, kind of like the Augustinus Bader, where I perceive it as just an over-the-top, very expensive brand. Not something I necessarily want to run out and get right now, but something I'm definitely very happy to try. Day 21. Day 21 is an Estee Lauder Advanced Repair Eye Cream. I really like Estee Lauder. I used their products a lot. My grandmother used it when I was in high school, so I was exposed to it a lot. She thought it was very fancy, and I am happy to have this. Day 22. Oh, another perfume. This is the Harmonist by Hypnotizing Fire. It's similar to the first perfume that we got. And I'm also going to see if we can fit it into that perfume case, because that would be nice if I was able to switch out the perfumes. That case is really nice. I'm gonna let that settle for a second. I'm not totally sold. And then here is the perfume case. Let's see if that fits. Oh, I think it might. Very cool. So this case can be used with multiple perfumes. I really love that. Now to get back to sniffing it, I'm not really sold on the scent that's in the air. Let's try it again. Sometimes stuff settles and it smells different. I don't know if I like that one. It smells kind of like dirty feet. I don't know what I'm smelling that's giving me the dirty feet impression. That's what I smell. And the name of it is Hypnotizing Fire, or it's the Harmonist. I'm not sure what the brand is. Okay, the brand is the Harmonist, and this perfume is called Hypnotizing Fire, and It smells like dirty socks. I'm sorry, Harmonist Perfume Company. All right, and now we're going on to day 23. Day 23 is a Bio Effect Serum. I'll use this again, love serums, don't know anything about this brand. I've never even heard of it before. And then we have day 24, which is Christmas Eve, Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Primer. This is a really nice sample size. This would be great in my makeup bag for on the go. I like that. And then for our last day, day 25. Oh, cool. So this is an oud candle from Maison Francois Kirk de Gian. It's a very famous candle company, and I'm sure you've seen the logo. And this is oud scented. Very nice. I really like that. So just to recap, I'm going to go through them backwards and away from me. I have the oud candle. The first thing I got was this amazing metal perfume case, and I am going to use the heck out of this and the perfume inside, which was Mind Games. Then I have the Salt and Stone aluminum-free deodorant. Very excited about that. These three perfumes, I have the Homage Guidance, the Armani Privé, Pavillon Suzu, the Harmonist Hypnotizing Fire, which I'm not a super fan of, but maybe we'll give it away. I also got 3 eye creams from La Mer, Estee Lauder, and Chantecaille, a couple of hair products from Sisley and Blue, face primer from Hourglass, Augustinus Bader, the Rich Cream, Bobbi Brown cream eyeshadow, and this was the only makeup item, you know, with color that came in the box. I assumed there would be a lipstick in there that maybe matched their Neiman Marcus red, but I was incorrect. So happy to have this though. It's very neutral. I can't see anyone opening the box and not being able to wear this or easily give it away. It's a very neutral, gorgeous holiday color. I also got this makeup sponge, eye patches, and a lip mask, body wash for my guest room, Sunday Riley serum, Bio Effect serum, and 2 mystery serums. I think that this was a pretty good deal. For $225, I just got exposed to probably 15 brands that I knew very little about. And I am going to use most of the things in this box. I think the only thing I'm really not going to use is that one perfume, and that's it. Everything else will get put into rotation and put on my vanity and used. I do think that this box was a pretty good deal. I don't have any complaints. Neiman Marcus, you did a good job. I mean, I'm not totally wowed. I wasn't blown out of the water, but I don't feel like I got ripped off, and I enjoyed opening it. And I will use all of these things, the perfumes that I don't like, easy to give away. That's a fun and easy thing to give away. I think this was a good purchase. That's it. Let's open up the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.